All right, so we found a new video editor, and everything is a royal pain in the ass when it comes to editing. And they don't have a free trial.
Well, no, they do. They
Oh,
dark pattern the fuck out of that.
I have to say I love it. Hit the X again. That is
Um,
really
it is gross, but probably effective.
um. So anyway, we found a new video editor, and this we're just going to walk you through what it takes to create some of these videos because frankly it's a royal pain in the arse. So it looks like the AI clips, if I had to guess, is a premium feature.
Yep, sure as shit.
um
Um, generate with AI, get results in a few clicks.
well
Get,
let's at least start with AI subtitles, right?
yep.
Oh, they got
Okay.
styles,
Oh,
and
that's
most
it.
of them are premium.
Are any of them available not premium? Is this
Well,
whole thing just a big front for everything is premium? And so
well,
the
no,
free,
on portrait I think I saw some that weren't premium, right? So there's
oh,
one, two,
yeah,
three, four, five.
yeah.
Um,
So with our video, well, let's see what happens. I bet it doesn't work, but we're gonna see what happens because
sure.
YOLO ain't got shit to lose.
I mean, we did only sign up for the free trial, um, so anyway, people, editing videos sucks.
Editing
Uh,
videos.
editing video sucks. The whole process of putting up high quality stuff is incredibly time intensive. And Justin and I, this is not our job. This is not necessarily what we want our job to be. We're just doing this for fun while we explore AI every morning. And so we have a mixture of some things that are edited and some things that are more raw. And one of the things we're considering is just um, putting up like some of these, hey, what does it take to do stuff uh, kind of videos. So maybe a behind the scenes tour of generating crap. And we also like to explore AI tools. So it kind of is like self referential. Hey, we want to build videos about AI. Cool. Now we need to do editing. Let's try another tool with AI. Um, and that's basically what we do for an hour every morning is just explore with the weird AI stuff. Um,
Yep.
Also, we just talk out loud while we wait for these videos to process.
The process. I do wonder, it does make me wonder, given how easy it is becoming to build this stuff with Hugging Face and other open source models, how hard it would be to build a little pipeline ourselves to put our videos through.
I I would say this, probably not hard, but
Um,
probably there's a or probably hard. But a lot of things are actually relatively simple, but simple doesn't mean they're not work, right? And I think that's the issue. Is it might be simple, but it probably would take us 2 or 3 months to create a really well polished uh process
yep.
of full-time work, right? And 2 or 3 months of full-time work is not something you or I can afford to throw at it right now.
Not right.
But it's kind of amazing. The fact that we even think we could is amazing to me. Uh,
Yeah, I mean, definitely a year ago, you would have been like, what you're asking is impossible.
yeah, and I
So this
think
may take forever. I'm gonna
um,
see who's gonna work on this in the background for us.
yeah, that's fine. Um, so while you're doing that, is it still working? Oh, that's interesting. I think it might have stopped. Click on projects. I if that one actually makes you sit there, it does.
Ugh.
All right.
This
Well,
this
I would already say like just delete your account. Like I can't use a tool with AI that requires you to be
idea. It's a good
that
idea.
connected.
Yeah.
Um,
I need to delete my account on things more often. I have 150 million ghost accounts.
Same. Why don't you try creatify.ai?
Yep.
So, all right. If you're still watching this, which honestly, all the power to you. If you're still watching this, AI things should not require you to be there.
No.
AI takes time to process, and it takes a lot of time in some cases.
Now, this is interesting because this creates an ad based on a landing page.
So
Give me a live pure.
yeah, I was gonna say take the live pure URL. Let's see. Um I'm gonna send it to you in case or I'm gonna resend it to you. All right, take that one and plop it in there. Now, this is like probably the worst case scenario, right? Because we sent it a link to a video.
Yeah, it probably won't be able to do anything with this.
Um,
I'll actually be shocked if it can do anything with this.
God, you know, sometimes I get
It
stuck.
also can't sign me in.
I was gonna say sometimes I get stuck in that Google sign-in process. That link.
You piece of garbage. Oh, it's because I'm not on. Guys, pattern here.
That's awful.
If you have a user and they log in and you don't have their account, just create the account for them. Don't like sit there like a dipshit. Like oh, it just doesn't work at all. All right.
All right. Well, if you can't figure out a login pattern, you probably aren't worthy of my. Oh, you're better than I am. Your passwords don't match. Never mind. You're worse than I am.
Yeah.
You could always go with something like Creatify sucks. I love doing like as my password. So all right, so this one at least gives us a percentage, right? Now for the record, I think it's a bullshit percentage. I'd be shocked if it was accurate, but at least it gives you
are bullshit. I mean, that's how loading indicators, generally speaking, are bullshit. They will inch to 99 like this, and then they will hang at 99 until it's done. Because generally speaking, there's not a way to know. Most people don't build a way to know where in a process you actually are on the back end.
Yeah, it's a lot of work having done it myself. Yep, they basically couldn't figure shit out. It's worthless. Now let's go to Amazon, right? Because Amazon's a big affiliate one, and actually, I'll just pull up something expensive on Amazon.
Yep.
So let us do like 80-inch TV.
And they probably created this based on Amazon. That's probably what they used.
I would assume so. So let's here. I'll send you an Amazon link for a $6,000 TV.
Awesome. All right. Let's see what happens here.
But the extraction time was relatively accurate, like within seconds, which is
not terrible. So it's interesting. You can now create landing pages automatically with AI, pretty much. Now you can create the ads based on the landing page automatically with AI. All right. So starting to see a workflow develop here around like how you can go from I have a product to that product is for sale with landing pages, ads, and all that, with almost no manual work in that process outside of building the product itself.
Yeah, actually, while that is extracting, yeah, so like this is honestly trash. I just
let's see what it just
basically okay.
Okay.
Click next. We'll see what the actual.
So 9:16 is fine. 15 seconds, fine. Let's just go with the defaults for right now because it'll probably do the best. This will take up to 45 seconds.
Okay, again, I really like their appropriate timing.
By the way, this is good UX, guys. telling the user like what the expected wait time is going to be. This takes 2 to 3 minutes. This takes 45 seconds. This can take a while. Come back later. A lot of people don't do this. This is incredibly important.
Yeah, and there's something called microcopy in UX, right?
Yep.
And microcopy turns out is such a big portion of the user experience. In fact, early Slack adoption was all based upon the microcopy, not the software.
Yeah.
Right. It was like, hey, congrats. Like, hey,
Yeah.
you did
Yeah.
this. It was like really, really friendly copy.
I consider those things are sort of like what I would consider last mile UX, right? It's like last mile delivery of UX. It are things like microcopy and those little extra bits that push it over the top.
Okay, so like even the error message wasn't terrible. Let's
I didn't
try it.
even
Let's try it one more
What
time.
did it say?
It's
I didn't even see
it was on the bottom left, and it timed out. It was like, hey,
it.
we
They did so many
experienced.
good things.
What was that?
They did so many good things, and then don't clear the error message away, guys. Like your users might not see it, and they'd be like, "Why the fuck did that thing just reset? What did it say?"
Something along the lines of we've had an error, and please try again later. And this
It
issue,
done fucked up.
yeah, we done screwed up. And I think what a lot of people don't appreciate is like a lot of these AI companies, they're launching and they are in different stages of being funded. And okay, so let's just go with one of these, right?
Story time. There it was. The sharp aqueous 80-inch, the centerpiece of our dorm, bringing us all together for. Okay, this isn't going in a dorm. It's a $6,000 TV. So, ever squinted at your phone, struggling to stream the game with friends? Probably not. 3 reasons why this will transform your viewing. So this is a little bit better. I hate how this starts. Like no one's like, oh boy, I'm watching the game on my phone. You know what I wish I had? I wish I had a $6,000 TV. Like that's not how people make a purchasing jump. So that's not gonna work.
I actually think the last one's probably best.
Yeah, that one's good. That one's good. Let's do this. Problem solution. Okay. And you can generate scripts if you don't like those. So up to 60 seconds, going to generate an avatar. By the way, I saw last night. Where did I see this? I need to find this link again. Oh, I think I sent it to you. We need to take a look at this, which is the you can now create avatars like deepfakes of yourself with just a photo and write a script, and it will just talk like this. We need to check that out after. Oh, looks like we hit a snag.
Let's try it again. So like they're definitely hitting issues, right? So anyway, what I was saying is for these ones, I think it's important to call out, like, so they launched on Product Hunt, I think yesterday. And so they are probably getting absolutely killed. Murdered, right? And so they probably have a certain number of servers. They were hoping for a bunch of conversions, and everybody on the planet that's a nerd like us is testing this shit. And so their servers are probably at peak almost all the time.
Yeah, we'll give it one more try, and then we'll say that they are not going to be able to handle these requests.
Yeah. And by the way, some of these services require you to prepay for usage, right? And so like I've I've done this myself, where it's like, hey, we send out a link and you've allowed for $100 worth of credits or something on the service you're using, and it just stops working for everybody because you ran out of your budget. So if I had to guess, they are definitely experiencing some growing pains, which is super interesting, right? And I see all of these point solutions that are being generated that are really good at one thing or another, but like none that are good at like the whole chain. It's because it's really hard. All right, let's just switch.
All right, so that's not going to work. I do want to take a quick look at this, just because I'm curious to see if this works. Look at this.
Hey there, this is AI Joshua, co-founder and CEO of HeyGen. The core value of HeyGen starts from generating avatar videos, and you can do that with just typing text.
If this is an AI generated video, which I think it is.
It is, yeah. Um,
Um,
actually, so I
let's
was helping a friend of mine who is a fantastic UX person, and his name happens to be Justin, but it's a different Justin. And and he's trying to apply for some jobs. And I was telling him that, like, hey,
Hey guys, I'm Joshua,
Oh, wait.
co-founder and CEO of Hey.
didn't know that was gonna.
reaching out to people on LinkedIn is much better than just applying for a job. And he sent me an article that he ended up reading when he was going down that path about like how sending customized videos to people is like a super huge way to increase the conversion rate. And he's like, God, I don't want to do this. But could you imagine just having a script in there? So here's my base script, right? I'm trying to apply for this jobs at companies. Here's my base script. Here's the, now you go to ChatGPT and you go, look up this company, modify my base script, and then shoot and give me a script for a quick intro video to talk to this person. And then you send it to HeyGen, and now you have these custom made videos, and you could just, you could apply for 100 jobs with a custom made video while reaching out to people.
Yeah. If you use this intelligently, so the way that it looks like this works is you have to have a 2-minute video where you're basically just talking to the camera about whatever you want. And that's how it's going to learn who you are. I don't really have that, but we could record something with a webcam real quick for a quick try. I love how they did this, by the way. More great micro copying. Quick try. Let's see what happens. Turn on camera mic. So I'm going to just randomly talk about stuff. And we're gonna see. Choose a topic to talk. Oh, you can't hear my voice. Hello. I feel like it popped up a permissions thing that I never saw. There we go. Hey. Okay. Choose a topic to talk. Okay. Let's introduce my business. I'm going to talk about level 10 AI. Starting 30-second report.
I can still talk for 3 seconds. Yay!
All right. We're going to talk today about Level 10 AI. Level 10 AI is a company that focuses on helping other businesses understand how to use AI in their businesses to improve their operations, improve their efficiency, and just make things more badass. We explore the latest AI tools and show you the cutting edge techniques that allow you to get the best possible results out of this new stuff. I'm making up all kinds of words here because I don't really know what to say. And now I'm going to finish the recording. Great. Face visible at all times. Yes, I'm looking directly at the camera. There are pauses between sentences and the environment is well lit and quiet. Recorded consent. Oh, interesting.
Yeah,
I've
so you
never
can't use somebody else's likeness and just plop a video from YouTube of them on there.
How about that? I've never seen this. This is really interesting. I, Justin Davis, hereby declare that I authorize HeyGen to use the footage of me to build a HeyGen avatar and use it in my HeyGen account.
This is the best, most ethical, like, video editing shit I've seen on any AI company I've been to.
It's really, really well thought out. I'm really excited about this because I think this is going to work. Like it feels really
Legit,
good.
legit. Like a lot of the tools we use, they feel like almost like we built them ourselves in a month or two.
Slapped together. Yeah.
This looks like really, really well thought out.
Okay, so it is going to grind on this. There's probably quite a bit of analysis that has to happen. I would expect that this takes 30 minutes or so to work through here. So we'll have to come back to this and take a look at it. But in the meantime, like we could look at some. So you can pick an avatar, right? Which means that if you didn't want it to be yourself and you wanted a salesperson, you could just grab one of these and be like, I want this salesperson. By the way, this is going to obliterate the sales world. Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
Wow. Remarkable. Okay, so we're gonna have to wait a little bit for this. We're gonna have to wait a little bit for this. Are there other AI video editing things that we want to take a look at here?
No, I think, unfortunately, we actually need to go back to the editing. Or did we just stop editing completely? We did. We are so bad at this. Like we
No, we are. Well, that's another AI video editing.
We're so bad at this.
Because editing is so hard and no one wants to do it.
Yeah, this sucks. I don't know any other way to say this. Like, so the question is, Justin, just for right now, do we stop worrying about making perfection and just start loading videos?
We could, for sure. We definitely could. Yep.
Wait, in video is the future of editing. Come on.
What is in video? I don't think
I
I've
have
ever
no
heard of.
clue.
Create publish worthy videos on day one. Well, let's take a look, shall we? Let's make another account on another service.
And this is why Justin and I get together, because we have ADD, and it's actually, I probably save time by doing an hour of this bullshit every morning instead of just like the whole all day long clicking on stuff.
No doubt. I'm a YouTuber influencer, level 10. Yeah. I'm not gonna worry about inviting people. I want to produce content faster. Primarily YouTube videos. Okay.
Editor, because we already have a video. Although I'm really curious to like, okay, people, if we have a video, why would you need to know the aspect ratio? Just take it from the video.
Yeah, it
It's
is
like,
strange.
God, there's all these little.
Oh, here we go. Upload file over 200 megs. Okay, I just need a small.
Well, so here's the deal.
But I'm not okay to pay before I know if it works.
Yeah. Why don't you, do you have detail that editing or that camera app, right? Installed?
Yeah. Yep.
Why don't we just edit in detail and just let's launch these videos?
I dig it.
Because detail does transcription.
It does. Let me stop my share here and share detail. New project. Video. What happened to detail? Where'd it go? Oh, okay. Oops. All right, here we go. So
on this computer.
Good. So, I mean, we would just have to manually do this.
But
Perfect. Excellent. Today on Get Rich Quick Mythbusters. No. Yeah,
we trim a couple of seconds off the front, and I wouldn't even worry about editing in between.
Yeah.
Today, today on Get Rich Quick Mythbusters. No. Yeah, we're
Cool.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
So the question is, do we want to just
Justin? Absolutely, Chris. Gonna be a lot of fun.
okay?
Perfect.
So instead of editing the video there, do we just want to add the other videos to it? The ones that are about this.
I wouldn't add it to the same video.
Okay.
Yeah, I would probably make those separate. All right, so download language files to enable transcription. So let's go ahead and get transcription done. That may also take a minute.
Yeah, I think it actually did take about a minute when I did it.
Oh, my avatar's ready.
Oh, switch over. We're nerding back and forth. But at least we started the transcript.
Hey, Justin Davis, your instant avatar is ready. Feel free to create videos with it. Also, click the feedback button to share what you think. Hope you enjoy. Holy shit! What? I kind of can't believe this. Hey, Justin Davis, your instant avatar is ready. Feel free to create videos with it. Also, feedback button to share what you think. Hope you
click next. Oh my God.
Create video.
Justin Davis. Yep, you're definitely using Justin Davis. All right, now we got to write a script. We got to write a script. Chat GPT. And we'll want to edit this one tomorrow. To just show this portion. Write me a video script.
For what?
For monkeys flying on the moon. I don't know. For, you know,
advertising my UX agency, Daunting Labs. Super generic. I gave it no prompts here.
Right. Ask it for stop it and ask for just the text.
Only give me the text. The video is a headshot the entire time.
Oh my God.
You didn't just give me the text, but whatever. You know, we're just testing here, so it doesn't really matter what we do. Hello, I'm Justin Federer. Well, let's just do that. Hello, I'm Justin, founder of Madeira Labs. In today's fast-paced digital world, the user experience isn't just a part of your product, it is your product. At Madeira Labs, we understand this more than anyone. The voice is so natural and it's really close. It's not perfect, but it is really fucking close.
Dude, if someone called me with that, I would think it was you.
Yeah, for sure. This is, by the way.
Wait, is there an affiliate offer for this?
I'm sorry?
Is there an affiliate offer buried in here somewhere?
Oh, that'd be amazing. Because, like, we could use this to create videos to advertise this. Let's look and see.
We'll just Google HeyGen affiliate.
Yeah, I bet they're too early. Wonder what it costs.
It's credit based.
Okay. So $50 a month. dirt cheap, though. I mean, in the grand scheme of things, for what you're getting, it is dirt cheap.
I am
Because like you could send the exact to your point exactly. Like you could at scale send hundreds of personalized video messages that are nearly impossible to tell it's not real. It's absolute insanity.
I'm just kind of blown absolutely away.
By the way, we are still early. We are a year into this, and it's going to go faster next year. You have to assume that by this time next year, this is perfect, fast, and cheap. So what does that world look like? Here we go. Ready?
Yep.
Hello, I'm Justin, founder of Madeira Labs. In today's fast-paced digital world, the user experience isn't just a part of your product, it is your product. At Madeira Labs, we understand this more than anyone.
Oh my God.
This is unbelievable. I'm really at a loss. I'm like at a real loss for words. This is one of the most incredible things I think I've ever seen. I don't even know. I don't even know what to think about this.
I'm Justin, founder of Madeira Labs. In today's fast-paced digital world, the user experience isn't just a part of your product, it is your product. At Madeira Labs, we understand this more than anyone.
It's the best I've seen by far. Click on the I saw some friend shit or something. Click on your name or somewhere the credits button 1.5. There was something about sharing with friends. Up top, there's that.
Oh, up here?
Yeah. Nope.
By the way, 1.5 credits equals 1 minute and 30-second video. So a credit per minute, essentially.
Okay. So then it's actually fairly expensive, even though it turns on some really good stuff.
Yeah. It's not cheap.
It's not cheap, but by the way, the quality shouldn't be cheap.
It shouldn't be. Here's the link. Do you want me to send you this link?
No. Click on your name on the top right, or the J on the top right.
Oh yeah.
Click on there. Click on like subscriptions. It was on one of these things you popped up. I saw. Nope, not there. Shoot. Where was it?
Where I went to this?
Nope. Yeah, it wasn't there. Go back. I hate when like things aren't obvious. I saw something you clicked on had something about sharing with friends. So click on the J again.
Oh, like
yeah, account maybe. There you go. Invite friends to get free credits.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So that's all it was. It's the Dropbox model instead of a full affiliate model, which by the way, like works really, really well.
I send it to you so that you can sign up and then I'll get free credit and then we can use that free credit. This is a remarkable
quality.
I mean, think about it. Like if you're out of the office and you want to make it look like you're in the office, you'd be like, oh yeah, let me just record a video for you real quick and I'll send it over. And then you just like on your phone, type in the script, send, and people are like, oh yeah, no, he's definitely at home. He just recorded a video of himself at home. Like, I mean, it's crazy. Okay, so
that's going to be taken
on. Okay, so I'm gonna stop sharing. That blew my fucking mind.
We have got to take that, and so that one's worth splitting tomorrow. And we do have to post all these freaking videos. But that blew my mind. We do need to make a specific video for that.
Yes. Yes. Ads start with live here. I'm exporting the other video right now, so it is exporting. So once it's done, we can upload it, and then tomorrow we'll do the same thing. We'll just trim head and tail on them, get them up, make covers, and then we'll get them up and we'll get them out tomorrow.
Yeah,
for
and
sure.
then we can post this under like a building videos thing, but then we can really trim the crap out of that. I mean, or start it from scratch, and
Right.
do me so we can like really get it quick just to show people from
Yep.
start to finish the whole login. Oh God,
That blew my fucking mind.
I can't believe it. I can't believe it.
I cannot actually believe it. It's unbelievable. Wow.
All right. Well, on that note, have a good day.
You too, buddy.
All right.
I'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Bye.